Hey, Joe Mastriano here, and this video is to tell you about the three main topics I will be discussing at my Live at 5 videos on YouTube, Monday through Thursday, 5 o'clock Central Time. So the first topic is IRS representation. For the last 42 years, I've done thousands of cases and I personally have been involved. Many I've done myself, others I've managed employees of mine. I've got attorneys as clients, CPAs as clients, it doesn't matter. I'm the guy who cleans up the mess that the other guys or you make yourself when trying to do it by yourself. So bring your questions, bring your concerns. I will be there for you. Okay, second topic. As I struggled through my career, I kept looking at ways of being better. The three main issues: money, health, and relationships. And I've done all the training. I've done the S training, the Course in Miracles. I've become an NLP practitioner. I've become an NLP master practitioner. And although all that information was great and it helped me through a lot of things, I have to say that it wasn't until I realized that managing what controls your life is everything, because you can't live by other people's programs. They become some great course you took 6 months ago, a year ago, and we still bring our problems to ourselves. But when you learn to manage what controls you, whether it's your own limiting beliefs, your family, other people, what you see on TV, politics, fear of the economy going down the drain, you've got to get a handle on yourself. And I've learned to do that, and I've spent the last few years putting it together. Right now, I don't have a paid product. It's a free product on my website, joemastriano.com. Go to resources, you'll see McOil, MC-OYL, Manage Control of Your Life, and get started. And then during Live at 5, you can ask me questions and take advantage of it while it's free. Now, once you manage controlling your life, once you have that confidence that you need, you can do anything. Personally, for decades, I wanted to do affiliate marketing because I want to just have people under me who train and get people under them. I'm not talking about MLM, multi-level marketing. Nothing wrong with that either if you manage it properly and handle it legally. But I'm talking about selling products and getting commissions from it and having this turnkey on the internet. I personally know of guys in my 4% group who are actually making hundreds of thousands of dollars doing this, and they don't have fancy educations, and they don't speak as clearly as I do, and some of them they're just following the program and they're never giving up. So 3 topics to talk about: how you can get the benefits of my teacher Vic Stryzeus. Kind of hard to pronounce his last name sometime, but it's Vic Stryzeus. Best teacher in this industry. I'm not just saying it. I've been part of 3 groups before. I had to drop them. And eStage, which is the best program for doing websites for this type of business. I use Kartra, and this is actually getting better as we go. And then we have products, and I'm telling you, it's amazing. So that's the end of this video. And when I start it, maybe tonight, I don't know. I've got more stuff on the website to develop. I've got accounting clients to take care of. But with the power of my McOil program, I'm a firecracker. So see you on my Live at 5. Bye.